Take a ride in the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, convertible hardtop, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.